In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a digital signature to a Word document. This is a great way to authenticate your documents, especially for professional and legal purposes. To get started, open Microsoft Word. If you're not there already, you can find it in your Start menu or Applications folder, depending on your device. Once Word is up and running, open the document you wish to sign. Remember, this should be the final draft, as adding a digital signature usually indicates that the document is complete and verified. Now navigate to the part of the document where you want to insert your signature. Take a moment to review your document and decide on the best place for the signature line. Once you figure that out, click to position your cursor there. Next, turn your attention to the top menu bar and select Insert. This is where you'll find various options to add different elements to your document. Look for the text group on the ribbon. Clicking here will give you more options, one of which is Signature Line. From this drop-down menu, choose Microsoft Office Signature Line. A dialog box will now appear, prompting you to enter some details. You have the option to fill in the suggested signer, which could be either your name or the name of the person expected to sign. You can also include a title or position, and optionally an email address. Fill out this information as fully as possible to ensure clarity, especially if there's more than one signature involved. Once everything is filled out to your satisfaction, go ahead and click OK. After that, your document will display a signature line. Click on the signature line and select Sign. Here, there are three ways you can add your signature. You can type your name in, which is the simplest option. If you have a touchscreen device or are handy with a mouse, you might opt to draw your signature instead. Alternatively, if you have an image of your handwritten signature, you can insert that. At this point, you may encounter a prompt indicating that you need a digital certificate. This is crucial because it secures and verifies the authenticity of your signature. If you don't already have a digital certificate, Word will guide you on how to create or obtain one. Finally, once you've signed the document, save your work by heading to File and then Save. Your signature is now securely embedded within the document. Should anyone need to verify the authenticity of your signature, they simply need to click on the signature line. Word will indicate if the document has been altered after signing, thereby maintaining its integrity. You're now well equipped to add digital signatures to all your important documents.